Hello guys, and welcome back to my channel. Thank you so much for joining me today. If you've ever wanted to describe what you're doing around the house in Swahili, then this lesson is for you. Today you will learn some common house chores in Swahili. We'll learn the verb, its English meaning, and then use it in a real sentence. So let's get started. Kuosha vyombo. Kuosha vyombo means to wash the dishes. So listen and repeat. Kuosha vyombo. Kuosha vyombo. Example in a sentence. Maria anaosha vyombo. This means Maria is washing the dishes. So one more time. Maria anaosha vyombo. Good job. Example 2. Kufua nguo, which means to do the laundry or to wash clothes. So repeat after me. Kufua nguo. Kufua nguo. Good. Example in a sentence. Mama na shangazi wanafua nguo zetu. This means mom and aunt are washing our clothes. So repeat after me. Mama na shangazi wanafua nguo zetu. Mama na shangazi wanafua nguo zetu. Good job. Example 3. Kuchemsha. Kuchemsha means to boil. Repeat after me. Kuchemsha. Kuchemsha. An example in a sentence. Ninachemsha mayai. This means I am boiling eggs. Ninachemsha mayai. Can you say it? Ninachemsha mayai. Great. Example 4. Kukaanga. Kukaanga means to fry. Repeat after me. Kukaanga. Good one. Example in a sentence. Walikaanga nyama jana. This means they fried meat yesterday. Walikaanga nyama jana. One more time. Walikaanga nyama jana. Good job. Next we have kusuuza, which means to rinse. So repeat after me. Kusuuza. Kusuuza. Good. So example in a sentence. Watoto wanasuuza vyombo. That simply means the children are rinsing the dishes. So watoto wanasuuza vyombo. Again. Watoto wanasuuza vyombo. Good job. Kukata. That simply means to cut. So repeat after me. Kukata. Kukata. Example in a sentence. Juma anakata nyama. That simply means Juma is cutting meat. So Juma anakata nyama. Good job. Kusafisha. Kusafisha means to clean. So repeat after me. Kusafisha. Kusafisha. Good. Zawadi anasafisha nyumba. Zawadi is cleaning the house. So repeat after me. Zawadi anasafisha nyumba. Zawadi anasafisha nyumba. Next we have kufagia. Kufagia simply means to sweep. So repeat after me. Kufagia. Good. Ninafagia sakafu. That simply means I am sweeping the floor. So repeat after me. Ninafagia sakafu. Again. Ninafagia sakafu. Good. The next verb is kupiga pasi. Kupiga pasi means to iron clothes. So example in a sentence, nitapiga pasi kesho. I will iron the clothes tomorrow. So nitapiga pasi kesho. Nitapiga pasi kesho. Good. Kukunja nguo. That simply means to fold clothes. So repeat after me. Kukunja nguo. Again. Kukunja nguo. Example in a sentence. Tutakunja nguo kesho. That simply means we will fold clothes tomorrow. So tutakunja nguo kesho. Again. Tutakunja nguo kesho. Good job. Now those are some of the household chores that we tend to do on a daily basis. So I want to give you a challenge. So write one sentence in Swahili using one of today's verbs in the comments below. For example, ninaosha vyombo or ninafagia sakafu. Thank you so much for watching, and if you've enjoyed today's lesson, don't forget to like this video, subscribe to the channel, and I will see you in the next lesson. Bye bye, Kwaheri.